Hello, dear students and friends. I hope you all are well. Yesterday, I told you about sentence and the parts of the sentence. Today, I am going to tell you about types of sentence. So, let's start with our topic types of sentence. Types of sentence. The first type of sentence is declarative. Declarative, or we can say assertive. Means this always express truth. I want to say declarative or assertive sentence always express some truth. For example, I like to eat mangoes. So here we find that in this sentence something is declared and the answer will be in yes. And there is further division of this type of sentence in two parts. First is affirmative and second is negative. Affirmative means acceptance. When we accept something, it always show the positive answer and it always show the negative answer. For example, I do not go to school. The first example is of affirmative and the second example, I don't, for this note, it became the example of negative sentence. And the second type of sentence is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always asks question. Or it always start beginning with WH words. For example, why are you laughing? And next example, don't you like reading? Now move to the third type of the sentence. It is imperative. Means shows the moods. And as you know, mood is expressed by request, commands, advice and suggestion. So in this type of sentence we always find some suggestion, command, order, request and advice. For example, go to your room. Here is command in the sentence. So this is the example of imperative sentence. And the next type of sentence is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence always show some strong feelings like anger, surprise, grief, delight, etc. And this type always take sign of exclamation at the end. For example, what a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. Let's give a quick recapitulation of our topic. Today I told you about type of sentences. There are 4 type of sentences: declarative or assertive. It means there is always some truth in the sentence. It's of 2 type: affirmative means acceptance, and second type is negative, means there will be negative answer in the sentence. Second type of the sentence is interrogative sentence, always ask question. It can be with WH family or with any other word. Third is imperative sentence, that always shows the mood, and the word that show the mood are request, command, advice and suggestion. And the last type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence shows surprise, anger, grief and delight, and always carry sign of exclamation at the end. Now, okay dear students, now let's start with our practice exercise of the sentence of the type of sentences. First example is, how beautiful is the day, and at the end of the sentence is sign of exclamation. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. Second example, Sachin is a great cricketer. Here in this sentence there is affirmation, so it is the example of affirmative sentence. Third example is, what on earth are you doing? In the end there is question mark, so this is interrogative sentence. Do you want coffee? Here is suggestion, so this is the example of imperative sentence. Cats catch mice. There is also a declaration, so this is also the example of cats catch mice. Here is also declaration in the sentence, so this is the example of affirmative sentence. Next is, elephants have a good memory. In this sentence also a affirmation, so this is also the example of affirmative sentence. What a beautiful view of mountain, sign of exclamation, so this is the example of exclamatory sentence. Please don't call me, here is request, so this is the example of imperative sentence. He wanted to learn English. One more thing that I want to tell you, in this sentence do is in the beginning, but in the sentence there is suggestion, so this is the example of imperative sentence. not the example of interrogative sentence. It should be kept in mind always. Whenever there is suggestion in the sentence, then it will be the example of imperative sentence. And one more thing that I want to tell you, in this sentence the day is the subject and this is at the end of the sentence. So in a sentence we can say that the position of the subject is movable. It can be in the beginning or in the end. So it should always be remembered, the subject is movable in a sentence, but it is always a noun or a pronoun. I want to say that in a sentence the subject is always a noun or a pronoun, but it can be in the beginning or in the end. Here is in the beginning and here it is in the end. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.